Are you looking for the perfect Marblehead vacation home? Then look no further, 22 Gone Fishin is it. This new construction home is move-in ready and close to everything desirable in Marblehead. You have cleats, big boppers, shops, restaurants, bars, you name it. Safe Harbor Development has a community pool, a clubhouse, and dockage, all for your enjoyment. This house features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a ground floor master, and plenty of upgrades. One of the coolest features about this property is this fun loft.